So welcome on my channel, and no need for the intro and then maximize video controls anyway. So if you're wondering how you can record your desktop and while using your app mirror, any kind of app mirror like using on the Android or using on the iOS. So first I need to open the app mirror, which is my favorite, and you have to keep one thing in your mind, that that is my premium account. So you can use the Wi-Fi or you can use the USB, but for me I am using the USB connection. I'm going to click on it. It will connect to the mobile phone, and if you have any kind of error, you just need to install the app first, then you can connect from here. So the app name is App Power. I will list all the best apps in the video description. You can download it free and premium. So I'm gonna unlock this thing, right? Just let me unlock this thing. Now it's unlocked. Okay, so you don't need to click here, right? Just keep it that way, and then just go ahead and click on the home button. As you can see, I'm using this phone, and while you can also hear the recording, because I'm recording from Boya M1 mic, and that is the best mic. So the best solution for this thing, you can take screenshots, you can make video recording, but for this thing I'm using this software, Shampoo Snap 11. The software is here. So I'm not using this one, because if you are using this one, then you need an external mic, or you can say you have to add another separate file, or you can just call it like voiceover on the video. So that is very difficult, and it's very taking too much time. So what I'm just doing, I'm just using the Shampoo software, and that is recording directly from the software, and I'm using this one. And also you can do one more thing. Yeah, so you just need to click on the Shampoo software, then you're gonna select a single window. As you can see, you don't need to select the desktop because I'm recording the whole screen. So you just need to click on the single window, and then it will show you the like you're using this one, and it will show you automatically, it will select this window, and then you can record everything whatever you like. And that's very simple. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, so I would love to answer that. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna upload more and more videos on the how tech. So keep in touch. Bye bye.